was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of
Chevy boy, man. My face oily. Been out running all day, man. But we on another. I'm just gonna throw this in here, man, because it's all part of my daily things, man. Daily things I have to do. So now we having father-daughter time with the best friend, Michaela. So, baby girl there, y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. She said, Daddy, you gonna take me driving today? So y'all already know what I was gonna do. Tell her yeah and make it happen. So we out here now. You put it in pause, baby. Put it in pause. Okay, we made a few blocks. I just got at a warehouse right now, man, and getting the fundamentals, because it's been a while, because she about to be 14. You 13 now. Mama took you driving when you were about 10, 11. So we really want to go ahead and get her really going and have it down packed by the time she gets 16. Because we waited, man. We waited till my son was like 18. Not to start driving. He was already creeping a little bit, but to really get on it, we waited till he was about 18. He got his license. And this is his car she's driving, so he's doing good now. You know, he drive to work and stuff, so. But I want to show y'all, this is the warehouse I came to when I first got Penny swap deed. Not Penny, but Cayenne swap deed. And I'm going to show y'all the side over here. I see more than me than been down here now. I'm just going to show y'all this parking lot right quick, man. But yeah, let me show y'all this side first. All right. Yeah, man. This is where I came last time. You know, when I did the burnout video. You know, burning rubber in Cayenne. And man, these guys been out here cutting up since I've been down here, man. But I honestly think these are my spots here. Where you see these circles, that's my spot. And remember when I came out of that donut? When I came out of that donut and I held that joint and went that way with it, I think that's mine. Everything else belongs to somebody else. But, let me show y'all the other side. Other side of this warehouse, man, it was going down, man. Let me show y'all. These boys, let me show y'all. Them boys been cutting up on the other side, so it must be better, yeah, because you know this a main street. That's a main street right out here. That's a main street, so I guess they go on the other side to be in between two warehouses. You can really get your groove on, man. So they go around here to the other side, man, show y'all what's going on. Yes, sir. Scooter still got a nice little whip, man. Blessed, man. Blessed. I was blessed to pass that down to my son, man. I was blessed to be able to pass this nice little car down to my son. They're in there smiling. Yeah, man. So instead of taking a ride in the big Lexus or one of the trucks, I just waited till her brother got all work. We're gonna take in the Honda. Let's roll, baby. She's doing that thing, looking like her mama. Looking like her mama over there. So. Start turning. Straighten up. Whoa now. She got them horses in this thing, got that horsepower. That's how she want me riding with one hand. Bumping the music. Michaela. That's what they ready to do. No. But yeah, man, we finna show y'all. When we get around here, we finna show y'all. So slow down, man. Nothing lock it. Okay, there you go. Straighten up. There you go. Man, this side right here, though. Y'all can see, man, these boys been flat foot cutting up, man. Slow down something, man. Slow down. These we've been flat out cutting up now. See, the in between two warehouses right here, so I understand why they come over here. So next time I know when I'm in Cayenne to come to the inside lot, not the outside lot. Look at here, man. They been cutting up, man. Yes, sir. Okay. Stop slowing down. Just gonna make your left turn, put the signal light on. Slow down, slow down. Slow down. Put the signal light on. Signal light on. Don't stop. You turn to the left, not right. Push it down. Turn up in there. Turn. Go straight up. There you go. We rolling, babe. We riding, babe. How does it? We riding, babe. No gas. Going up the hill. There you go. Straighten up. There you go. We rolling, man. She's 13. She'll be 14 in October. If the Lord says the same. We're gonna have her sharp by the time she gets 16. We talking about the expressway and everything, man. We can ride. Yes, sir. So I'm slowing down. Right. Straighten up. There you go. Alright. We rolling, baby. Stop if it's red, if it's green, you keep on going, keep it in the middle, baby. I see you keep tend to let it go to the right, man. To the right side. There you go. Slow up. Don't go over the white line. Just stop it. Now when it turns green, you got the right away. But I always wait like a second or two. Like a second to make sure everybody done shot through. Okay, now go. Alright. We finna make a right, so you wanna put your right signal on. Get in this line. Slow up. Okay, ease off gas, off the brake. Okay. Straighten up. Baby. Paris, turn the car off. Turn it off. Pull it up. Turn it all the way back. You can get out. Y'all see, we back at the house, man. We back at the house safe, man. Baby girl bought us on in. She tried to doubt herself. She didn't want to drive home. She wanted to keep driving around that parking lot. So I made her go in the street. And she thought we was finna turn back in the parking lot. I was like, no, you finna drive home. Home is only like 4 or 5 minutes from where we were. About 3-4 minutes at the most. So we back at the house, man. Everybody in one piece. The car is the same way it was when we left. So, man, mission accomplished for the day. We gonna do that, man. I'm gonna try to do that with her at least twice a week. Like I said, she's only 13. So we do that about twice a week, man. We're gonna be good. 78Chevyboi, man. I'm just doing what I do, man. All right. Yeah, man. Today one busy Monday, man. We back at the house, man. I done put brakes on the Yukon. I done ran errands. Took baby girl driving. Ran another errand. Now we back at the house. Finna watch my Tahoe, man. Let me show y'all what's going on. talk, man. My wife been talking about me so bad. I gotta go and wash it. Man, got bird poop all over it. Everywhere. So he just ain't gonna wash his truck and all this. So I gotta wash it to keep her quiet. She don't even drive the truck. She don't be want to ride in it with me when it's dirty. But I pulled my pressure washer out today. Man, I got a new toy for my pressure washer. Y'all know I already had the foam cannon right there. So I got me a shotgun, man, without the one. Tried it from Amazon, man. Hooked it up, man. Ain't got no leaks nowhere so far. No leaks. So this is better, man. Instead of having that long one, that damn one I had reach from here to that truck. So we finna get it started. No. We finna get it started. Look at him work. Y'all see Gizmo? But yeah, we finna get it started, man. 78Chevyboi. Just doing what I do, man. All right. Yeah, man, I could be detailing cars, man. I could be detailing, man. Y'all see that short gun, man? Y'all see it? Quick connect on that thing. I could be detailing cars, baby. I gotta excuse me, man. I'm trying to do two things at one time. Alright? Go on, watch it. We got the, Gizmo hooping, man. Gizmo hooping. Crossover and everything. Get the ball, man. Crossover and everything. You see it? Quit playing. Like Iverson, boy. Y'all see it, man. Finally got done with the truck. That mother whooped me, too. Y'all see I do a decent job, man. I do a decent job. Bike rack on there, man. About to start back riding my bike. I ain't gonna say that because I got to change oil. I got to wash wifey truck. Got to do something to the short bed tomorrow. And I hope the guy called me to fix my rear end tomorrow. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to get out there and do me an hour or two on my bike tomorrow. But we got that thing clean, man. But let me show y'all what I got for the OBS, man. Got something that came in. Y'all see Gizmo hooping, man. Y'all something that came in. Package. Bell Tech, man. These them nitro drop 2 joints. Specifically for 2 to 4 inch drop trucks. Cause mine, the stock ones, man, they ain't got the travel. They pretty much maxed out since I dropped it. So this is supposed to help me out on it, man. We're finna open it up in a second. I'm gonna give my boy to hold the camera. But yeah, this is what I'm rolling with, man. The Bell Techs. And I'll let y'all know I'll definitely do a review on them. And y'all ain't gotta come on here, man, with all the questions about what I should have got, do this, do that. I've already talked to people that run this shop. They like it. So I go by highly recommended stuff, man. People that's already using the product. So y'all can save your answers, man. I know what I could have got. I could have got coilovers and all that, but we're going to roll these, see how these do, man. All right, we'll be right back. See Gizmo with that crossover wipe. Cross them over, Gid. Cross them over, Gid. Cross them over. Cross them over. Let him get it, Bray. Let him get it, Bray. Let him. Go ahead. I'm saying, you mess with him, but don't get the ball. Go get it. Yeah, I'm saying, like, mess with him, but come back over here, Bray. Bring it back over here.
Bring it over here, son.
Yeah, now put it down and just mess with it a little bit. Like
Mostly let him get it, yeah.
Just throw your hand back and forth like if you were
Crossover. Euro step. Quit playing. Quit playing with Gibbs. Touch it a little bit. Touch it a little bit, bro.
Sight. 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 Sight.
Crossing over, boy. Quit playing.
Okay.
78Chevyboi, man. Got the OG in me, man. Y'all better quit playing. Quit playing for y'all didn't even know I had it on me, man. That's how I'm gonna do it. Little young buck get to playing with me, man. Yeah, man.
That thing extra sharp too.
You better know it. Yeah, but we finna see what these belt takes look like, baby. All right. Okay. Now I hope all these ain't the same shop. You know they in the same boxes. We got an 85-35. We got an 85-35. Okay, we got an 8006 and an 8006. Okay. Had me scared for a minute, man. I thought all four of them was the same. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Okay, this is the front joint. Get that thing out on y'all, man. So this is the front. Man, I can't wait to put them on. Oh, okay. Oh, they had it compressed. Okay, it's easy to compress, though. It's easy to compress. Nitro drop 2. Yes, sir. So, I'm gonna show y'all the front. I mean the back. That's the rear. I should have let that done compression. I put a zip tie on. I'm known to have them zip ties, man. Oh, okay, this is the rear. This is the rear. I take that back, y'all. This is the rear. You got the 2 joints right here. And you got the one where the stud goes through the top. And then you got your front. This the top or the front. This the top, and this the bottom joint. So that's all I gotta show you, man. I'm running with them Beltex Nitro Drop 2, man. We're gonna put them on in the morning. I'm definitely gonna put these 2 back ones on. If I have enough time, I'll throw the front on. But yeah, we're gonna roll like that. 78Chevyboi, man. It's been a long day. We done put brakes on. We done show baby girl how to drive. We done washed the Tahoe. We done ran errands. And we got a package in, man. So stay tuned for this video when I put these in. All right, 78Chevyboi, we out. Stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man.
My seven, I'm keeping it my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in my seven, I got every gas, my seven, I'm keeping it my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in my seven,
Motherfucking free gas mix.